No, this is the mic.
Oh.
So me can...
Alright, big up on yourself, people. Welcome back to MG Sports TV. Alright, so you are going. My good friend, and the patrons and nothing, big up yourself, you are going.
Yeah, in MG.
Alright. Even though, you know, in regards to supporting a team, we have a difference.
Well, we all know that. We all know that.
But when it comes out to football, I think we fear with knowledge is concerned.
Yeah.
Alright, first of all, what do you think about the new coach?
I think his CV speaks for itself. It's unprecedented. My earliest memory of him would have been when he was a part of the backroom staff at Manchester United with Sir Alex Ferguson. Then he transitioned into his own management with Middlesbrough. And if you know Middlesbrough back in those days, you know the type of football that Middlesbrough played. I mean, unfortunately that they had to, you know, they sacked him, but he played entertaining football. So I'm expecting nothing less to be applied to the Jamaica team.
So basically, yes, in regards to the previous coach in Al Johnson, play more defensive and more rigid. We expect to see a more free-flowing type of football.
Yes. Even just looking at the training just now, you get me, it was free-flowing, you know, you can see the knock and move, the passes that going on. But we left that for the viewers to come see. Turn out tomorrow without a look come check out.
Can't give it too much.
Can't give it too much. What we see,
when you come see.
Come see phone yourself.
I don't know if I don't see nothing much more than I love chat, eh? So for me, I think I like him speak, really like him speak.
Yeah.
He said the right things. But for me, I'm only convinced when I see what I got on the pitch. You have 2 games to convince me. You have 2 games to convince me. I like what Al Johnson did over the time period, because I do believe that he's a firm believer of getting the best talent on the pitch, which is nothing's wrong with that. Sure. I believe that even if you have the best talent on the pitch, if you don't have a proper structure, a style of play, a system of play, you don't necessarily get the ball in the back of the net or play good football. Because the other day I watched something on coaching session, and they said something in coaching session. They said like, football is a game of moments. You create your moment and you capitalize on it by scoring. And you also stop the opponent from creating their moments by defending. And then now I realize that how you create your moments is this is the part of where football comes into play. Your system, your structure, your build up play, your consistency in that build up play. All these things, that's how you create your moments. And then now when you defend, you receive all these things matter. So me seeing that, I say, alright, fine. So I say, I'll give me time to really convince me. Because I saw Al Johnson came in, a lot of big chest talk, and even though I made the team defensively rigid, it wasn't far away from Tapa. It wasn't far away from Tapa. And even though Costa Tapa, who play against the small teams, Tapa normally box them small teams outside, 5, 6, just give them a hard back. We saw Al Johnson, we still see the defensive rigidity. Yeah.
That is true.
So,
I think the last game, Dominica, we were defensive against a team at home where we should have punished. So, yeah, you can't too defensive, and as we all know, goes with you.
yeah, true. I agree with that 100%. So, at the end of the day,
No, go on. I just say, I lay and sometimes I look away. I just say, look into
Nobody set up audio. Either use this audio, yeah. But it's good, man. It was good. Good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're back again. So we just have to fix up some technical issues. I mean, I take you out to my sorry phone, so I'm not gonna live through that. Anyway, so we'll get back on track. So we just call that bloopers. So when you see the party in a video, we just go in the comment section and write bloopers, yeah? And drop a laughing emoji. Anyways, so we're gonna move into how the camp look to you, how the players them look, what the vibe is, if I always say.
From what I saw, the vibe is right. Yeah, the spirit is up. I get everybody. I talk to everybody. You know, this is what I had expected from the camp. To see the players them interacting. We not see no foreign segregated from local. We not say, oh, you know, me a veteran in the camp. Me no need to talk to the young youth. Quite frankly, Akaim and
Kerai, I work together. Yeah, me like say, me see that. Me see two of them I work together. Me say, all right, that look like them a try, them a build the band from now. So you know, so when they start hit the ground running a Charlton Athletic, and even in the Jamaica team, we have a proper relationship, an attacker and a midfielder.
You know what I appreciate, what I saw, because guess what, people, you see the eye test are the real test, you know.
Yeah, true.
You see chemistry.
Yeah.
Because even when it's split purple against green, the chemistry is still there. I see Antonia going at the tackle him. I see Bowser talk to Nandi. Yeah, we see the chemistry there, so without a doubt, that's what I look for.
You know, a funny moment when I see. So them do the when them not like come together and then put their hand on shoulder and push off each other. So me see Nana and Pinnock do it. And you're like, boom! And the man start laugh and say, you clash of the titans. Yeah, you're two big man and physically big. So me just laugh and I say, you know, that kind of funny still. Yeah.
That chemistry there.
Yeah, me like the vibe. Me really like the vibe.
Like
yeah.
The vibe. So me I look forward on the field tomorrow to see how the chemistry go. Because without a doubt, we're going to talk about predictions, but for me, I just want goals.
Yeah.
I just want to hear stadium roar tomorrow. So without a doubt, people will come out, don't know, 15 bills for the ticket, 5-5 if you have it for the grandstand. Without a doubt. Yeah, but
right.
but I just want to hear stadium roar. I want to see the entertaining football. For, you know, when time was there, when the fans them in the crowd say, yeah, reel up. Because even the players them are asked, that's what they're asking for.
Yeah.
They're asking for the fans to
turn
be
out.
There. Turn out and make us see and hear them in the crowd. You get me?
All right. So based off what you say, me personally, me like what I see in regards to the coach and the relationship with the players. It look like them already have a connection. It come like say a long time the coach there.
Yeah.
Based off of what it just look like a long time in there.
And people, the man even use patois, you know. Yard man.
No, but me must say historically, you know, they say anyway go in adapt the language, you know. It's historically. Yeah, but so I'm gonna move on from this. We're going to the game now. As I say, you expect to see goals.
Yeah.
What I say your predictions for that scoreline prediction?
I'm not gonna be too greedy and say 6. But 4.
4?
4. More 4 goal real up. 2.5.
Yeah.
2.5.
That sound good.
What me want.
That sound good. That sound good.
Because you see when the first 2 knock in.
The vibe's nice at halftime, you know.
Yeah. whoever they don't have children's, I go part them carry on children's and say, yo, here what 2 goals scoring now. Me walk come up, me can't bother with
none of it supposed to come cross. Yeah.
Supposed to come cross. Who all out of Harbour View.
Yeah.
Who they are Portmore get them notification from live score.
Yeah,
and
man.
say, yeah, man.
Things are going.
Things are going on stadium, man. I have to make sure.
All right, question. Yeah, the thing, no, the Jamaican fans, them, I have to please, you know. If we beat Cuba 4, you think them are going to say, boy, it's just Cuba?
We hard for please. Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Me, I going to say I just Cuba too. Me, I going to say I just Cuba.
The man say not going to be greedy.
Less than 4.
Yeah.
You get what me I say?
Yeah.
Me, I going to say I just Cuba.
All right.
But we don't know say football run, and we not going don't play any opponent. You get me? Because nobody come here for just say, me I just take 4-0, or me I just take 6-0. No, nobody not do that. It's a style of play, the chemistry, the press, all of that come into play. The fans also come into play. Because if we make the stadium intimidating to the Cubans, what are you going to expect?
That is true. That is true.
Than a victory.
Yeah.
You get me? I say, but we are going to say, I just Cuba, because guess what? We have been spoiled. And this is what we know football and we love football and we know say, you're all right then. Cool.
Well, I'm not too sure. No, me usually think that everybody know football, but I'm not like. Me still a learn the game, but me can't tell us. So I'm based off of some of my comments and me I tell her. Anyways, me personally, me like come see from the coach or the relationship and the team is concerned and the players, even the coaching staff, them look well. Everybody down to the kit man, the relationship with coach have with kit man, it look good. So it look good. Now, I got move for me personally. Me think say I expect to win. Me not go say a massive scoreline. Me not go say probably 1-3-0. I think based off the fact say under the previous scores we were defensive rigid. Some sense or some remnants of that defensive rigidness supposed to pass on to this team. So I expect say probably a clean sheet and me also 3-0. Me not expect say the game will go easy, none at all, because them come to play and them will come turn out. But when it come on to starting lineup, me are going to starting lineup, and this is just continuity. I think the coach believe in the continuity based off of what you see in regards to the team when select and just bring in 5 persons, and the 5 persons are bringing were also a part of the squad.
He had said he has already made up his mind
and who's going to play.
Going to start. So what we are saying right now, I just I guess.
Yeah, no, we can't. A prediction. Then I'll be prediction 3-0. You can imagine. We're going to lose. Jesus. But anyways, for me, I go say Blake look like him ready. Yeah. So Blake will be number 1 in goal. Yeah, and this a coach I look like him is three in a midfield type of player. Either him put two at the base, one attacking mid and three up top. But it's a 4-3-3, which way you want. You can play a 4-2-3-1 or 4-3-3. So I'm going to say 4-2-3-1. So I'm going to say, in the right back position, you know, Lembikisa, I go have that lock. Think even though Greg Lay has done well for us in the Copa, I believe that Amar Bell is the overall the better left back. So Amar Bell go slot in, and I personally think that him not go switch from Damien Lowe and Ethan Pinnock. I do think a lot of persons will call for Deshaun Bernard, but based off of what we see the relationship with.
I'm actually going to say he's going to go with Deshaun Bernard. And
look on the relationship with Lowe and Ethan Pinnock, based off of how we see the two of them work together.
Yeah.
So that could be an indication. You don't think so?
I think we're going to see Nana in midfield as the breakup player.
No, Nana not going to midfield. I don't think so. Here we go. All right, here we go. If you say so, give me a reason why I say you think you're saying Nana in midfield. Remember saying Al Grimson again, you know?
We know saying Al Grimson. But the breakup play that Nana does, and he actually can pass the ball and play out from the back, I think you need that shield in front of the defense to go ahead and give the ball to Bobby, you know,
Casey or one of them, yeah. Yeah, I understand that. But for me, based off of what I see from him so far, I think he preferred like the more technical midfielders, not the running midfielders. So I think the man who got turn up in the center, me I go more for John Russell. And I think him not going to bring in John Russell and not use it. I don't see him bringing in John Russell and don't use him. Because me agree. But me must say no. In the press conference, you know, when he announced the squad, you know, he did say that they will have a midfield issue. So that's why I'm trying to addressing the midfield issue by bringing John Russell. Okay. So I assume say bringing in John Russell is an indication say we might see John Russell in how he want to play. Now he wants somebody to stand up. I did a breakdown on how his team play. He wants someone to stand up in front of the defense, but they don't pass it off line. They don't pass it going to attacking third, none at all. Okay. So the role of John Russell I get is not much of a mobile role, up and down. No, he must stand up in the middle like probably like a cone, but just receive the ball and distribute the ball. So the distribution he want for. Now he might have runners around him now. So that's how I look at it. Probably now in this aspect you might see him have Casey Palmer and Bobby Reed as the two number 8.
So would that be a
Then now on the right hand side, I think based off my facts say when him talk about pace, he mentioned pace in a multiple interview and press conference now. So we might see Norman Campbell on the right and Demargre on the left. And might go with one striker. Possibilities are he might go with Mikel Antonio.
But speaking of pace, and there is one player that comes to mind that wasn't called for the camp.
Cephas. All right, so what happened with Cephas is this, right? At this present moment, Cephas was going through some stuff at his club. For those who don't know, a big club came in for Cephas and offered a big bid, a big club playing a Champions League. The team that Cephas had, Cephas was ranked, I think top 5 best attacking players in his team, and I think top 15 best attacking players in the league. But his team got relegated. And the mere fact that the team get relegated, I don't know if big clubs are coming for him. Because I must say, in the well-known top tier division, that means they're not supposed to do that, so just as anywhere now. Yeah. So they came in, because the club don't want to let go of the player, then price him out of a move. So that's a little friction between him and in camp and the club, because the club start making it become about them. So now yes, it's message or story going about say missing and all them type of something there. So what the coach said, he said they want to make him fix that. Sort that out first, the issue with the club. Yeah, so settle things first. So you know, I'm pulling him away from that and things not settle. And then when he go back now, it boil up, yeah. So I'm saying no, I'm make him see. So that's the reason I see Cephas is not there.
That's a player right here. I mean, from the last match.
I'm on fast.
A player to look forward to. A player I want to watch for the future. I mean, I'll be following Cephas' career.
Cephas. Cephas. You know what's a film shirt me now wear today, but you have a little stain, so I say blouse and skirts are.
Yeah, man.
So that'll be my predicted starting lineup. I think that's a good predicted starting lineup.
Solid 11.
Yeah. But as I said, still, if Damien Lowe is included in that midfield, I don't see that. I wouldn't see that easy night based off of the fact that probably this is a good team. If he play against Mexico, he play against Canada, and play against USA in midfield, why can't he play against Cuba? But it's just that it's a different management now, different coach. So that make it thing different. We missed the topic. What was touch man? All right, so producer say for lack off. We chat too much. And this man.
We want to see you tomorrow.
Turn out.
Stadium.
Yeah.
We'll be on the ground asking the questions. So, you don't know. Knockings, MG.
Yeah.
Look out for me.
A ball and knock. Big up on yourself, people. God bless.
All right.